Hey everybody, it's Mike with Yucateco again, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best mashed potatoes you have ever made in your entire life. Let me show you how to put this together. We are going to need 3 pounds of potatoes here. Now this recipe calls for either gold or red potatoes. I prefer red, so I'm going to go ahead and use red. You can also choose to peel or not peel these potatoes. I enjoy that additional flavor from having the skin, so we're going to be leaving the skin on today. Start by roughly cubing up these potatoes. That's going to help them cook faster and make them much easier to mash at the end. So get those in a pot with some water, turn that onto high heat until it comes to a boil, then lower it to medium heat, and this will take approximately 15 minutes. You just want to cook these potatoes until they're nice and fork tender. The next step is going to be to drain the water. Now we begin adding our ingredients to the pot. We'll start with butter, softened cream cheese that I've cubed up, heavy cream, a little sour cream. Now begin mashing these potatoes and then stirring to combine these ingredients. Then we're going to add some garlic, dill, green onion, salt and pepper to taste, and yeah, we're going to kick this up with some Yucateco Red. Now give that a really good mix to combine all those flavors together. And you can just see the beautiful smooth consistency of these potatoes. Now just transfer these into a serving bowl, garnish with some chives. We are ready for my favorite part of the video. How about a nice big tablespoonful for the taste test? Cheers, everyone. Absolutely delicious, creamy, smooth, and that Yucateco Red really pops a lot of extra flavor and a little added kick to this dish. This is perfect for holidays or any family dinner any night of the week, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Now don't worry, as always, I'm going to have all the full details on how to put this recipe together down in the video description. Thank you very much for hanging out with me as always. Don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor, and I'll see you on the next video.